Hey everyone, welcome back to Boy Tutorials. Want to turn a plain PDF into a stunning interactive flipbook that works on any device? You're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to create a flipbook from a PDF using Publuu. No design or coding skills needed. In this beginner-friendly tutorial, we'll guide you step-by-step through signing up, uploading your PDF, customizing it with awesome features, publishing it in multiple ways, and tracking its performance. Your flipbook will be perfect for brochures, catalogs, magazines, and more. Let's jump in. First, head to Publuu's website to create an account. It's super easy. Click the Try for Free button. Enter your first name, email address, and set a strong password. Or use your Google account for a quicker setup. It takes less than a minute and you'll land on the Publuu dashboard, ready to create your interactive flipbook. Already have an account? Just log in with your email or Google account and you're good to go. Step 1. Upload a PDF. Time to turn your PDF into a flipbook. On the Publuu dashboard, find the Upload Your PDF button. Click it. Choose your PDF file like a digital magazine brochure or catalog from your computer and hit upload. For the best results, ensure your PDF has clear text and high-quality images. Publuu will convert your PDF into an interactive and easy-to-access flipbook with a sleek page flip animation in just seconds. You'll see a progress bar and boom, your flipbook is ready. Step 2. Customize your flipbook. Now let's make your flipbook stand out. Publuu takes you to a user-friendly customization editor packed with options to personalize your flipbook. Here's what you can do in the left panel. Name and description. Set a catchy name for your flipbook and add a description to highlight its purpose or content. Background. Choose a custom background to match your brand or the vibe of your digital magazine or brochure. Add logo. Upload your logo to brand your flipbook and give it a professional look. Menu. Customize the navigation menu to make your flipbook user-friendly. You can show or hide options like the title, download button, share button, and more to control what viewers see and interact with. Security. Set password protection or access restrictions to control who can view your flipbook. Lead form. Add a lead capture form to collect viewer information, perfect for digital marketing or growing your audience. Table of contents. Create a clickable table of contents for easy navigation, especially for longer catalogs or magazines. Interactive elements. Embed links, photos, videos, sound, GIF, and products to make your flipbook engaging and interactive. Your flipbook is mobile-friendly, looking amazing on phones, tablets, and desktops. Experiment with these options to create a stunning flipbook for brochures or digital magazines that feels uniquely yours. Step 3. Publish your flipbook. Ready to share your flipbook with the world? Publuu makes publishing and sharing a breeze, no matter the size of your flipbook. Click the Status button on the dashboard to make it active. Then choose from these sharing options. Link. Copy a direct link to share with clients or post on social media for quick access. QR code. Generate a QR code that viewers can scan to open your flipbook instantly on their devices. Email. Send your flipbook directly via the email button, perfect for targeted outreach. Social media. Share your flipbook on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn to reach a wider audience. Embed. Embed your flipbook on your website, blog, or online store using the Embed button, ideal for showcasing catalogs or portfolios. Your flipbook is optimized for all devices, ensuring it looks professional whether viewed on a phone or laptop. Pick the sharing method that suits your goals and get your flipbook out there. Step 4. Track performance. Want to see how your flipbook is performing? Publuu's tracking tools make it easy. Click Show Statistics on the dashboard to view metrics like views and engagement. You can also set up a tracking link to get real-time alerts every time a client opens your Flipbook. This is a game changer for content creators or small businesses tracking the impact of their interactive catalogs or digital magazines. Use these insights to optimize your digital publishing strategy. And there you go. You've just mastered how to create a Flipbook from a PDF with Publuu, from signing up to tracking performance. Your mobile-friendly Flipbook is now ready to impress, whether it's for brochures, catalogs, or magazines. Keep tweaking the customization options to make it your own. If you love this PDF to Flipbook tutorial, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more web tools and content creation guides, and comment below. What Flipbook project are you working on? See you in the next video.